Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to transfer TRX from Coinbase to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're holding TRX on Coinbase and want to secure it in a hardware wallet like Arculus for better safety, you're in the right place. TRX, or Tron, is a popular cryptocurrency known for its high-speed transactions, and moving it to a cold wallet is a smart move to protect your assets from online risks. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a Coinbase account with TRX in it, your Arculus wallet set up and connected, and a basic understanding of crypto transfers. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your TRX balance. Double-check that you have enough TRX to cover any network fees. Step 2. On your Arculus wallet, open the app and go to the Receive section. This will generate a unique wallet address for TRX. Make sure you're on the Tron network. Arculus supports this, but always verify to avoid mistakes. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, select your TRX asset and click on Send or Withdraw. Paste the wallet address from your Arculus app into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction details, including fees. Step 4. Hit Confirm on Coinbase. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Double-check everything one last time. Once you approve, the transaction will be broadcast to the Tron network. This usually takes just a few minutes in 2025, thanks to Tron's fast blockchain. Step 5. Keep an eye on your Arculus wallet. Once the transfer is complete, your TRX should appear in your wallet. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly and to avoid any potential losses. In 2025, security is tighter than ever, so enable two-factor authentication everywhere. There you have it. That's how you transfer TRX from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it keeps your crypto safer. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay secure out there.